Welcome aboard FIKA, a 2018 Delta Powerboats 54 IPS currently offered for sale exclusively with 26 North Yachts. She's powered by twin Volvo Penta IPS 800s with 600 horsepower each, offering a top speed just shy of 40 miles an hour. Her carbon fiber hull and breathtaking design create an experience on the water unlike any other. Wide teak walkways to both port and starboard allow for easy access to the bow, where you will find a large sun pad with integrated safety rails. You will also find additional sun pads on the roof, providing even more space to relax when the sun is shining. Heading all the way aft, you will find an oversized swim platform that provides an excellent space to access the ocean. The aft cockpit is highly spacious and features an automatic table that deploys with the push of a button. Here, you will find large bench seats to both port and starboard, as well as deck chairs that can easily be stowed away when not in use. You will also find a docking station on starboard side, making it very easy to control the boat from the cockpit. Heading into the main salon, you will be greeted by tons of natural light. The space feels open and airy, with an open concept galley located on starboard side. It features a full suite of Miele appliances and everything you could possibly need to cook full meals at sea. And just across on port side, you will find your dining and lounge area. Heading forward, you will notice the large skylight, which opens with the press of a button, allowing plenty of fresh air to flow into the salon. One of the features that's important to note on this Delta 54 is the incredible woodwork and attention to detail throughout the entire boat. Another is the sheer amount of visibility you have while here at the helm. It makes operating this boat incredibly safe and easy. Next, let's head below deck and check out the guest accommodations. All the way forward, you will find the master stateroom. It features a king-sized bed and plenty of space, as well as a private ensuite head. Just aft, you will find your first guest stateroom. This cabin is set up in a twin bed configuration and has plenty of space, and also features the onboard washer and dryer. The VIP is located on port side. It's a very cozy space with plenty of built-in storage, and it shares a head with the twin guest cabin. Thank you for taking a tour with us of this 2018 Delta Powerboats 54 IPS. If you would like to learn more information about this boat or see it in person, you can find the link to the full listing in the description below, or you can reach out to the contact information shown here.